There was a man who spent years trying to open a door. He pushed and pushed, but the door never opened. What if I tell you the door was never locked? And before we begin, subscribe to English Chats Daily, because here you don't just learn English, you build a new mindset for life. A quiet place. Soft morning light. A simple wooden door stands in front of a man. The man stands still, looking at the door. His body is calm, but his mind is full of doubt. He slowly raises his hands and pushes the door. The door does not move. He steps back. He tries again. Push. Nothing. Days pass. The same place. The same door. Morning light becomes evening light. The man comes every day. He stands in front of the door, takes a deep breath, and pushes. Push, push, push. But the door never opens. His shoulders become heavy. His steps become slower. Still, he comes back. Other people walk by. They look at the man, then at the door. Some shake their heads. Some walk away silently. Some whisper to each other. Maybe the door is locked. Maybe he is not strong enough. Maybe it is impossible. The man hears them. He lowers his head. But he still tries. Seasons change. Sunlight, rain, cold wind. The man grows older. His movements are slower now. But every day, he stands in front of the same door. He places his hands on it. Push. Nothing. His body becomes still. For a long moment, he does nothing. One day, a quiet afternoon, no one is around. The man stands in front of the door again. But this time, he does not push. He just looks at it, calm, still. Then, slowly, he places one hand on the door. Not to push, just to feel. The door moves slightly. He stops. His body freezes. He gently pushes again. The door opens. The door was never locked. The man stands there, silent, calm. He steps inside slowly. Light comes through the open door. His posture changes. No excitement, no shock, just quiet understanding. Many people are like that man. They stand in front of English for years. They think, I can't speak. My English is not good. People will laugh. So they keep pushing with fear, with doubt. But they never really try. The truth? The door was never locked. You just needed to try without fear. Many people never speak English because they assume they can't. The problem is not the language. It is the belief. So next time when you think, I can't speak English, ask yourself, is the door really locked? Or am I just afraid to open it? And if this story made you think even a little, subscribe to English Chats Daily. Because here, we don't just improve English, we open doors you thought were closed.